Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Christoph Andrew. For today's vlog, we're going to unbox a random blind boxes from Pop Mart and TNT, which is the new toy. And we have some confirmed figure that I'm going to unbox. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now! So let me start with this one. It's obviously this is a confirmed figure because if you watch my previous vlog, this is the one I'm missing from the set and I got a lot of duplicates from that collection. So I really want to complete the series because this one is quite rare right now. So these are the lineups and yeah. The one I'm missing is the one in the cover, which is the Labubu Warrior. So I purchased this one in the orange up. So definitely, this is a confirmed figure. So let's see. I just don't like that they ship this one with this kind of box. So definitely this one is like a... I'm not sure if this is a returned one or maybe an old, very old figures that they unboxed already. So yeah, I'm so excited to see because this is actually the figure that I really like to see, and unfortunately it's not included in the set or in the unboxing that I unboxed in my previous vlog. So let's see our first confirmed figure. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, definitely this one is a very beautiful figure and one of a kind because I really like Labubu here. He's quite, very futuristic. I like the golden horns on the side. I just noticed that there are some smudges of the paint on the top. And yeah, it's still a Pop Mart figure. So this is the back part. It shows the red cape with the blue linings on the top. I really like this futuristic visor. So yeah, he looks like a superhero here. So let me show you the art card first. So this is the art card. We got the Labubu Warrior. This is the missing figure from the series that I got before. And there's some inclusion here, which is the electric guitar. I really like the electric guitar because it's green with these stars as a design. And oh my goodness, I just noticed that, look, look the hand. It's cut. I guess this is the, whoa, the hand is here. He's amputated. Look. But I guess that you can still glue this one. I'm not sure. Yeah, you can still glue this one. So I'm gonna glue this one. And the guitar should be here. You know what? This is the funny part of buying a confirmed figure from the orange up. You will definitely get some, you know, some distorted figure. And yeah, it should be like this. I still like this one. So I'm gonna glue this one up and I'm gonna show you later on the finished figure. So what can you say about the Labubu Warrior to complete my series? Just check my previous vlog as well to see. Please comment down below. Let's proceed now with my second box. This is another confirmed figure. I traded this one from one of my traders. So I really like this figure because, yeah, let me show you why I like this figure. So let me show you the lineup. So this is the lineup of this Action Cat series of Skull Panda. And you can see, I got the comedian because I really like the clown-like type figure. I kept collecting some figures right now. So let me show you another confirmed figure from this series. But this one is so hard to find now. But if I'm gonna get more of these, I really like to see the resting lady, the grumpy maintenance. I really like also the fashionable clapper loader. But then again, I have the comedian. So let me show you. Another confirmed figure. Let me show you, it's still sealed. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, look how beautiful Skull Panda here. She's so sad, like a clown. I really like the mint. I'm not sure if this is a mint green hair. I like the ear balls or the helmet balls on the side. It has this upside down heart shape, red and black. I really like that she's wearing this type of clown type, dress with this very small short or short tie. Look at the back. It's so nice. Let me show you. These are the inclusions. Look, there's a lot of inclusions here. So I have to remove them all out from the plastic. And I have to check this one. This one's like a puppet, string puppet, guys. And I'm not just so sure how to check this one. Wait, let me show you the art card first so that I can figure it out. Look how beautiful the art card. It's like a cinema ticket for me. Yeah, it's a movie ticket actually. Look. It's so beautiful. I should get more of these, right? So, let me figure it out. How should I put the string puppet? I'm not sure if this house should be where and okay, there's another string here. I almost missed this out. Okay. It's so hard. Oh, I'm gonna use a cutter with this one. And this is like a string. Actually, it's a clear rubber band. And I'm not just so sure how to put the puppet on the side. Maybe I have to put like this. I don't know how to fix this one up. Wait. Maybe I'm going to clip this one here like this. This one is so cute. And it should be here. It's like a string puppet. Oh! Maybe just like this. I'm not so sure. So, I don't know if there's a missing stand here. Yeah, I guess there's a missing stand. Oh no, I just noticed this one. There's a missing stand. So, I'm gonna buy a clear stand with this one. And then again, what I like about this one is the big smile of the clown, which is magnetic. Look how beautiful, right? This is so one of a kind. So I definitely like this one. And unfortunately, there's another missing part of this figure, because I saw that there should be a stand here. Anyway, I'm gonna get a clear stand to put a Skull Panda with this beautiful figure. But then again, what can you say about this comedian of Skull Panda from Action Cat series? Please comment down below. I'm gonna take a break now, guys, and CJ is here to continue.
Hi guys! It's been a long time since I participated in this vlogging. But yeah, I'm here to continue our unboxing. So, for my portion, I'm going to unbox two confirmed Hirono. So, just a quick trivia. Hirono is actually our first IP from Pop Mart. This is our first lab. So, I'm very happy to open these two confirmed boxes. But yeah, let me first open the Hirono X Clot. We actually have 4 out of 6 of this character. So we have Yin Yang, Elio Negra, Terracotta, and Silk Royal. So this is already a confirmed one. So it's actually just between Kung Fu and Chinese. So who do you think we pick? Yep, yeah. But yeah, I'm going to open this one. And let's see which character we no, we pick. Okay, okay. 1, 2, 3, and yup. Yes, we have Kung Fu. It's been a long time since we haven't got this one, so it's actually nice to see this in person. So as you can see, Hirono has a black hair here, and he also has eyeglass. It's a very rare feature for Hirono to wear eyeglasses. I think the first Hirono that I saw that has eyeglass is Geographer from LPP, or Little Limited Prince. So for Hirono Kung Fu, he's wearing a kung fu clothes. In his upper clothes, he has a white kung fu shirt, and also has a black long pants. And at his back, he showcased here the different kung fu style or kung fu position that he knows. So let me just zoom it for you. Yep. Yeah. So obviously kung fu figurine has a kung fu style like character. So yeah, this is it. Additionally, this is the art card. Similarly with the other cloth figurine, it has a brown colorish card and showing the kung fu. So, yep. So this is the Hirono cloth kung fu figurine. Please, if you have any thoughts, please comment down below. Thank you. Hi guys, to continue, I'm here to open again Le Petit Prince or The Little Prince. So if you're actually an avid fan of Kristoff, you already know which characters we already have. So technically, this is the only last character that we don't have, and we actually bought it so that we can fully complete the series. So let me just open this one. Okay, so this might be a spoiler for you, especially if you know which character is this. But let me just first open the foil. And okay, 1, 2, 3. Wow! This is the Little Prince Super Secret. This looks so nice. Wow! This is actually my first time seeing this one in person. Oh wow, okay. But before I continue, let me just pick some of its inclusions so that we can put them together. So for its inclusion, we actually have two items here. The first one is the stand, which I think similar with the other LPP's character, but this one has a special rose here, and the other one is clouds. So let me just open this. This looks so nice and great. Yep. Let me just put him here. Yeah. So let me just remove this plastic. So you just need to put him here. Okay. And then we're gonna put these clouds on his hand. Wait. Here we go. Guys, this looks so nice. It's like he's flying in the sky. So for LPP Super Secret, his stand has a one little rose here, which is I think very similar with the Little Prince character, the regular one. And also he's wearing a green cape and a green clothes and has a yellow hair. Oops, it fall. But yeah, this actually looks so nice. And at the same time, he looks like a superhero here or reaching something in the sky. And then to finish my vlog, let me just share with you the special card that we have here. So for LPP Secret and Super Secret, they actually have color brownish type card, and then it's showing the LPP character. And its back, this has a special text. So it says that, wait, let me just, yeah. The stars are beautiful because of a flower that cannot be seen. The Little Prince Special Edition. Wow, this is actually a very nice quotation. Yep, this is a super secret of Le Petit Prince. So if you have any thoughts or any comments, please share them below.
So guys, I'm gonna take over now. So I have these 5 blind boxes here, which is the Golden Gallop series. Actually, I'm so late to unbox this one because, you know, I have a lot of boxes here that I'm not yet, uh, you know, I didn't vlog it yet, or I have no time to unbox them all because, yeah, I have too much. So I have this 5 now and I wanna share it with you. So I'm so excited. And though it's I'm late, still I wanna open this one because I found this All Stars character very cute, and I'm so excited to see them in person. So they have these 12 confirmed figures. Of course, Skull Panda will be here. Dimo, Labubu, Twinkle Twinkle, Molly, Hirono. This is Ziga. They have this Hachi Pupu. Oh, Chaka is here. And we have this Paki, Nyota, and Tiny Tiny. So from this lineup, if I have this 5, I really want to get Tiny Tiny because I'm collecting Tiny Tiny right now. I want to see, of course, Hirono definitely. I want to get Chaka. And I want to get Labubu at the same time. I want to see Dimu. And yeah, they have secret. I guess the secret is another Molly. And I believe this series has all special versions. So I hope we'll get a special version from this lineup. So what do you think, guys? So let me start with this one. Then again, if CJ is unboxing on the top, I'm unboxing below because I want to keep the box in a good condition. So let's see our first figure from this Golden Gallop series. Uh-oh. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Another Hirono. Look how the details. It's so intricate. He's like wearing this cardboard horse. Wow! Look how beautiful the details. You know, guys, when they released this one, I thought I wouldn't like it. But when I see this one in person, this one is much more bigger, like a bulky one. Look the details, the coloring. And look how beautiful Hirono. They still use eye chip with Hirono. He has this black hair. He has this kind of horseshoes. Wow, definitely cute. Let me show you some inclusions here. So this is the inclusions, and let me show you the art card. This is the art card of Hirono. Luck on the way. Okay, let me show you all the inclusions first. Okay. Oh! Wow! I noticed that the stamp is like the stand is like a stamp. Unfortunately, I don't have the ink to put this one or to test the stamp. But the stand is so nice. It's like you can use them as stamp ink. And there's another inclusion here. He's holding this whip. Black whip. I just don't know. Oh, okay. Just like here, I guess. Or like this. Oh. Oh, okay. Like this, I guess. Oh, no. On the other side. What the? So hard. Like. Oh, I keep dropping the things. Because I wanna follow the, you know, what's in the art card. So it should be like this. Like this, I guess. Yeah, it's so nice and beautiful. Wow! What can you say about Hirono in the Golden Gallop, guys? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with another box of the Golden Gallop series. So, I just don't know if I'm gonna like the other figures because I see Hirono so beautiful. It's so adorable. I really like it. So let's see. Our second figure for the Golden Gallop. I don't wanna see any spoiler. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh! It's Pocky! And wow! I really like the soft texture of this one. Actually he looks Pocky is a she, right? She looks like a dumpling. And if you can see closely, the material is a matte finish but it's translucent. It's actually like a dumplings, guys. A very nice one. Wow, let me show you all the inclusion. Okay, the inclusion is just like a bowl of cup, or it's a cup of bowl, I guess. And at the bottom part, there's a stamp as well. Look, the face of Pocky. I just don't know how. Oh, okay, he's just sitting like this in a ramen bowl, and there's some design of the horse on the ramen bowl. A very nice one. Very cute. Wow. Now I'm realizing that why I didn't take all the series. I complete the set. Now I'm gonna get another duplicates when I'm gonna get more of this. Wow. So this is Fortune Feast, which is Pocky. I really like this one. Wow, beautiful. What can you say about this figure, guys? Please comment down below. I'm getting so excited right now because I unboxed two beautiful figures from this series. And we are here now for the third figure. So let me unbox this one. Oops, it's so easy to unbox this one. Uh-oh. Our third figure from the Golden Gallop. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Hachipupu! Wow! Very nice. Hachipupu seems like sitting on the clouds. I really like this. I'm not sure what kind of bird is this one on the head of Hachipupu. He looks like so Chinese. A very beautiful one. And the clouds is so have this iridescent finish. I like the Chinese dress of Hachipupu here with this horse design. Let me show you all the oh, there's no inclusion, only the art card. And we got the clouds bearing blessings. Wow. So the stamp is on the bottom part of these clouds. Wow. And there's some iridescent finish and pearlescent finish of this figure. I really like this as well. Now I'm so sad I didn't get more of these. I like these golden designs and these white designs on the hair. Very cool. What can you say about Hachipupu, guys? Which is the clouds bearing blessings? Please comment down below. So before we're going to proceed with the next box, let me give you a recap because we unboxed already 3 and we have last 2 boxes from this series. So we got the Fortune Feast of the Pocky, the clouds bearing blessings of Hachipupu, and the luck on the way of Hirono. Okay. I wanna get Tiny or Chaka and Labubu. So let's see. Our fourth figure. Oh, I destroyed the box. Okay, this one's quite big and chunky. Our next figure, 1, 2, 3. Oh, Molly! Wow! Baby Molly! Cute! Very adorable! I like this little pony on the head. Maybe this one is a stuffed toy. I really like the eyes of Molly here. It's an eye chip actually. And there is like, I'm not sure if the eye pupil is a beret. I actually like this one. Like flying in the clouds. So nice and beautiful. But I hear something that they don't like Molly here in this series. Okay, let me show you the art card. So we got the fortune rolling in. And the stamp is here. Nice! I actually like this one. It's so pastel. I definitely love this figure. Maybe from the others, they don't like this. But I really like this one. It's very, very innocent baby Molly. Very cute, very adorable. So what can you say about baby Molly, baby Molly, fortune rolling in? Please comment down below. Last box from the Golden Gallop series. So, I wanna get Labubu or either of Chaka and Tiny Tiny. So let's see. Our last figure. Oh! I almost see the spoiler. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh! What? It's Siga! Well, it's not my private. Look how beautiful Siga here. Wow, I really like the intricate details of the dress. Look closely. And even this wooden horse with the head only and this like a branches of trees with this some leaves. Wow, this one is so wow. It's an art actually. Maybe this one is like a wave. Look the details, guys. I really commend the artists of Siga because this one is quite quite worth of the money. Very good quality figure. Maybe Ziga is not that have much fan base here in the Philippines, and she is so underrated. But if you can see, if you watch my previous vlog, I have a lot of Siga, and I'm collecting Siga as well. So this one, maybe I got surprised because in the picture it's not so good, but when you see in the actual figure, this one is actually very good. Wow. And this is the bottom part as the stamp. I really like this one. But I really need to find Chaka, Tiny Tiny, and Labubu. So should I complete the series, guys? What do you think? Let me show you the art card. So we got the Leaping into Spring. This is Siga. Should we complete the series? What do you think about Siga as well, guys? Please comment down below. So guys, my next unboxing is not a Pop Mart figures, but these are from the TNT or the new toy. And Boy Ryan is one of the IPs that I'm collecting because I really like the quality materials of this one. It's worth the money. And Ryan Boy or Boy Ryan reminds me of myself. So these are their new release collection. So I'm so excited, but I just got 3 boxes. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna like this one because these are like a different from the other Boy Ryan series because they use a different materials with this figure. So let's see. We have these 3 boxes and these are the lineup. They have actually this lineup or this series are more related to puppies or dogs. So I had the dogs before, but now I don't have one because it's so hard to maintain having a dogs. But I should be ready to get another one soon. So if you are a dog lover, you will definitely love this series. So they have this loyal puppy, sad puppy, lively puppy. Is this company puppy? Company puppy, happy puppy, cool puppy, cuddly puppy, therapeutic puppy. Maybe this is therapeutic puppy and gentle puppy. And the secret is my puppy. Wow. The secret has a probability of 1/108. and they have 9 confirmed figures. So from this lineup, I wanna get Loyal Puppy, I guess. I'm not sure. I want 1 sitting and 2 standing. I like the Lively Puppy. I like the pink hair. I like the blue hair, the cool puppy, happy puppy, and the loyal puppy, and the sitting one, I like the cuddly puppy. Actually, I like therapeutical puppy as well. They are all cute. What can I say? So let's see. I'm so excited. They have all the same, but this one's very light. These two have some quiet weight. So let me start with the lighter one. Oh, I'm so excited. Just so sad because some of the boxes are quite dented. So let's see our first figure from the Loyal Puppy. I just hope it's not a duplicate. Or are we lucky enough to get a secret from this lineup? Because if you watch my previous vlog, I got a surprise of getting a secret from one of their series. So let's see. Our first figure from the No Puppies, No World series. Okay, let's see. I guess this one is standing. Look, it's a standing figure. But the secret is sitting figures. Wow. Our first figure, guys. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Wow. Wow. I really love the texture of the fur. It's very nice. And you can tilt the hands like this. I like the soft, flat finish of the ears. This one is so nice. Very beautiful, very soft figure. Very adorable. They are so cute. Look. Why didn't get the full set? Which one did I get? Let me show you the art card. Oh. Okay. The art card is like a bone. And we got Sad Puppy. Okay. It's so sad. The second one. That's why he looks so sad here. That's why the ears is like this. It's drooping down. I like the brown eyes of Ryan Boy here. See, that's why I wanna see the actual figure, but because see the artwork, I really like the art card, by the way. The artwork is so nice, but when you see in the actual figure, it has different colors of the fur. I just thought that this one is like a one-toned color, but here it has two-toned color. This one is like a chestnut brown. This one's quite brownish. I'm not sure. I really like this tummy. It's so soft. Very, very cute. Wow. The blush on the cheeks. This is what I'm talking about, guys. The good quality figure of TNT for Ryan Boy or Boy Ryan. You will definitely like this one as well. What can you say about the figure, guys? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with our next box for the No Puppies No World of Boy Ryan. And our first figure was the Sad Puppy. And our next figure will be, who do you think it is? Let's see. Oh, it's a sitting one. You know, if this is a sitting one, we have a chance to get a secret. Right? Because the secret is a sitting figure. They have 4 sitting figures only. Whoa! I hope it's a secret. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Neat. Okay, who's this? Oh, I guess this is the gentle puppy. He is so cute. And then again, I really like the hands. It's tilting like this. And the head as well. Look, the head is so pearlescent finish. I like the soft matte finish of the ears. I like the softness of the fur. Very good quality figure. I like the chestnut brown eyes. Wait, let me show you the art card. Okay. I told you, I really like the art card. Gentle puppy. Wow, very cute. I should get more of these. I really want to complete the series now. Definitely a very good figure, very quality one. But he looks not gentle here. He looks so grumpy. And here, that's why I told you, the artwork here is green. Here is quite the cream, pearlescent cream finish. But definitely a beautiful and adorable figure. So what can you say about this figure, guys? Please comment down below. Our final box, our moment of truth. Are we gonna get another cute figure or we are lucky enough to get the secret? I wanna get the one which has the pink hair or the blue hair. Either of these two. Or the one with the wings. Or the secret. So let's see. Our final figure for Boy Ryan. No puppies, no world. Am I right? No puppies, no world. So let's see. Oh, I'm not sure. Sitting. Oh, another sitting figure. We have another chance to get a secret. Oh, wait. Let me give you a recap first. We got the gentle puppy and the sad puppy. So if this is a sitting figure, we have a chance to get the therapeutic puppy and the cuddly puppy and the secret, which is the my puppy. From these two, I want to get the cuddly puppy, if not a secret. Because therapeutic puppy is closed eyes. So let's see. Our next figure. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oops. Oh no, I dropped something. Oh, it's broken. Another broken piece, guys. Look. Oh. The ears fall or fell. It's broken. I should report this one so that they will replace. But look, guys. Let me show you the pearlescent finish of the orange hair. I guess he's holding something. Yeah. He's holding this little white puppy here. Why I got a lot of broken figures today? How he's going to hold this one? Oh, like this. Oops. Wow, how? Like this? Oh. Here, like that. Wow. But he's missing one piece of his ears. It fell down. Wow, I really like the fur. Very cute. But then again, guys, what can you say about this figure? Another broken piece. But I really like this figure, guys. Do you like it? Please comment down below. So guys, this is the final lineup of what we unboxed for today's vlog. I can say that we unboxed a lot of beautiful and good quality figures today. And definitely I have a lot of favorites from this lineup, but I'm gonna give you my top pick favorites starting from Boy Ryan going to Ziga. And definitely one of the best, my super secret from Le Petit Prince, completing the missing piece from my series. And of course, look how beautiful the sad clown or the comedian of Skull Panda, the sad puppy, the beautiful Paki, my dumplings, of course the good quality figure of Ziga, of course Hirono, definitely one of a kind. Of course the other figures are so cute and adorable as well. But these are my favorites. If you have other favorites, you are free to comment down below. If you had fun watching this vlog, please don't forget to like and share this video. And if you're still not my subscribers, please do subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. Once again, guys, Thanks for watching. Bye!